Good morning everyone. Department of Rogue Nidan, we have started with series of lectures on Nadi. So today we'll have a lecture by Dr. Sandeep Dilekar on the topic the secrets of Nadi. So I welcome you all for this guest lecture.
For just examine the Nadi and come to the final conclusion for the diagnosis. Whatever is available in Ayurveda literature nowadays doesn't support such a kind of single examination and diagnostic approach. Hence, Yog Ratnakar explained a bunch of examination includes Nadi Pariksha with other 7 components. And actually, Nadi Vigyan is a gift from Yog Ratnakar and Sharangdar Samhita in Madhya Kala Yuga. So here you can see this picture, and this picture will elaborate where to place your fingers and what is the Angushtamul is there. So historical importance of the Nadi came in Madhya Kal, that is Sangrah Kal, from 13th to 18th century. A technical problem regarding Nadi word and its examination was not available in Vedic Kal or Samhita Kal. It was Nadi to Dhamani Sira or nerves conductions or Nadi Vrana as fistula. Some expert argued that Nadi Parikshana came from Unani Chikitsa and Sangrah Kal was the same one, but Mughal Kal and its invasions creates translation of Ayurveda in Arabic and Farsi, but they made it very much popular due to पर्दा नशी जो कर्टन वाला जो उनका ट्रेंड था वो एंड बुरखा नकाब इज इन द प्रैक्टिसेस. सो द ओनली पार्ट can touch the examination is Nadi only, and they can't examine even see the face of that woman, and even their practices gone so high up that they will able to manage the wrist of that female with threads over it, and they can pull the thread and examine the Nadi regarding these doshas. So importance of Nadi examination is very clear. It is most of the time it is systematic, not disturbing any harm. Pathological examination like Usrushta, Apusrushta, you should not pull out the blood or any kind of biopsy, doesn't need it. No need of any physical chemical material, not even the temperature and electricity for light. Solo orchestra, one-man show, and decision maker empower to the physician with the sign and symptom correlate to. The person who can't explain their complaints will justify with the same examination as to whom they can't explain it, just like newborn, kids, insane, dumb, and deaf, unconscious patients, psychotic patient, and weak ones who can't able to speak properly. No need to economical setup, no further time needed to the results, and its training is also very easy to deliver and pursuing too. So regarding all these, that it can be able to give an idea about the Vruddhikshaya evam Samavastha related those conditions to non-expert too. Those who are not expert in Ayurveda, they can also able to examine the basic concept regarding doshas. It is a usual first reaction to the patient. You can't able to examine directly the per abdominal examination, chest examination, palpation, percussion. So it is a usual first reaction to the patient to make them talkative by holding the pulse with the questionnaires for most of the disease. It is a sparsha parikshana to which give an idea about the febrile condition and non-febrile condition with its tachycardia and bradycardia too. Tachycardia more than 100, bradycardia less than 60, you know it very well. Even regards with the Rugna Bala, Prakriti, Manasa Bhava like anger, anxiety, grief, etc. With Doshanubandha, Ahariya Dravya will definitely affects on the pulse and differential diagnosis in confirmation. Sometime very informative about the Arista Lakshana, some Nirama Avastha, Sadhya Sadhya Avastha, and the radial artery itself is a Jiv Sakshini because it's regarding to death also. So the reference regarding the Nadi importance are what I explained here. The Rugnasya, Mugdasya, Vimohitasya, Deepa Padartha, Nivajiva Nadi, Pradarshayet Doshu, Janitam Swarupam, Vyastam Samastam, Yuglikrutam Cha. It is from Nadi Pariksha. Karasya Angushta, Mule Ya Dhamani Jiv Sakshini. That's why it is a vital parameters. That's why it is Karasya Angushta Mule Ya Dhamani Jiv Sakshini. Tachestaya Sukham Dukkam Geyam Kayasya Pandite. It is Shastra Purva Khanda 3. Gurvi Vatavaha Nadi Garbena Sa Lakshayat. The heavier Nadi with Sarpagati Vatavaha Nadi, it can be denote itself as a Garbin Nadi. Vyakula Shitila Manda Stitva Prayati Va Stanena Stanam Kramena Munchanti Nadi Marana Sanchini. It is a reference from Vasai Rajyam. Now, what are the synonyms regarding the Nadi given in Ayurveda literature, Vasav Rajyam, Ramanakruta Nadi Darshan? So, it is a Jiva Nadi explaining the vital condition, Snayu as supportive for body composition, Nadi as cavity containing, Ansi moving slow or having a media of movement, Dhamani full of thrills and vibration, Dhara itself to nurturing like earth, that's why Dhara, Dharani same supporting and holding like earth, Tantuki pervading all over the body, Jivana Jnana that is acknowledging the liveliness, Vasa because sometimes it's reflect as unconsciousness जिसे हम पिश्चिलता कहते हैं and which due to cover by blood viscosity that is rakta. Himsra, why it is himsra? Because it is a when it get locked it is a sign of death, that's why it is called himsra. Dhamani, it's causes the thrill. Jivitadnya because it reflects the liveliness. Jiva Sakshi again liveliness. Shira conducting the rakt. Sarvanga, you can see this picture which can show you where you have to hold this nadi from Prakosta Dhamani just under the Angushta Moolam. Nadika, Rasayani, Dhamani, Vata Nadi, Nadi, Sira, Rasayani as it also contains the lymphatic vessels. That's why these are some synonyms regarding the Nadi. Now, Nadi Pariksha having 3 parameters. It is the basic concept. Before you start Nadi, you should have to consider these 3 parameters. First, regarding the Nadi Chikitsaka, that is pulse examiner or physician. Regarding Rogi, that is patient. And regarding Nadi Pariksha, that is the actual pulse examination, the process. So first we talk about the first parameter, that is regarding the Chikitsak. He should be calm and composed in mind. He should not be he should get rid of from all psychological stress, that is anger, grief, stuporness. And Nadi Chikitsak should be in comfort sitting postures, probably facing towards the east. Just now I am facing towards the east. And unwavering intellect, that is steadfast and conditioned to examine the Nadi. Now, regarding again the Nadi Chikitsak, how he should be in the posture. He should be Sthira Chitto, Nirogascha, Sukhasina, Prasannadi, Nadi Jnana Samartha, Pita Madhyscham, Anchalatmam, Paramarshaya, Sadityahu, Malamutra, Mutradi Vegayuta, Nadi Jnane Samartasya, Lobha Krantasya Kam. It is from reference Nadi Jnana Tarangini. Sthira Chitta, Prashantatma, Manasacha, Visharada, Jnanartha Rogino Vaidyo, Nija, Dakshina Panina. It is the reference from Yoga Ratnakar. As you see that he should be get rid of all natural urges. No tranquilizer or drugs or alcohol shouldn't be consumed by the Nadi Chikitsak. No greedy for money, lustless, no kama vasana bhava. And Nadi Chikitsak should use his or her right hand index as tarjani, middle as finger, that is Madhyama, and ring finger, that is Anamika, respectively starting just after the thumb, that is thumb base, that is Angushta Mula of the Rugna. For Nadi Chikitsak, cold finger should not be used. They will make rub abruptly, apply it with the warm condition, and Nadi Pariksha should not be done in a hurry. It should be continued more than 2 to 3 minutes. It is given in our literature. So, Nadi Parikshak, he should be Sadhya Snatasya Suktasya Shuttrushna Tapshila Vayam Shranta Dehasya Samyak Nadina Buddhyate. So, he should be free from natural urges as well in comfort sitting posture or supine posture. Nadi is not recommended in asleep Rugna. Rugna in Nidravastha, it is not recommended. Still, supine position can be recommended. Rogi should not be starved. It will reflect a Pitta Nadi, Pitta dosha, as not just after the consuming food or Sadhya Bhojana, it is also excluded. Rogi shouldn't walk in strict sun or hot temperature, not just after exercise, intercourse, bath, empty stomach, fast, alcohol consumption, Vegakala of Bhutavishya and Apasmarya Rugna should be excluded. Rogi should not be away from these psychological conditions like lust, anger, grief, fear, anxiety, and fickle patient should not be examined, which is Asthira Bhava. Now, regarding Rogi, he should not be starved, that is Bhuktasya, Sadhya Snatasya Nidritasyopa Sevina, Vyavaya Shranta Dehasya Bhuta Veshini, Rodane Sundarinascha Sayoge, Madhyapane, Atibhrama, Apasmara Shranta Dehe Nadi, Samyak Buddhate. It is a reference from Vasai Rajyam. And another reference from Nadi Jnana Tarangini, Takta Mutrasya Purishasya Sukhasinasya Rogina, Antara Janu Karastha Api Nadi Samyag. It is a medial part of Karastha Nadi. So, Samyaga Nadina Buddhate is the reference in the fluctuation in Nadi with the above interfering as reflecting factor. The last but not least, that patient should make relaxation in hand as well wrist with no fist. He should not be tightened his fist. A little bit flexure is okay. This is the wonderful slide which I am going to share with you. You can see if you flex the fist, you can see 3 lines just after the fist over the Manibandha Sandhi, and it should be first line, second line, and third line and fourth line. Most of the patient having third line. Some of may reflect with fourth line. Anguli Vistu Tistrubhi Nadim Vahati Spushet, that is from Bhav Prakash. Ishad Vinamram Krutam Kurpam Kurpar Bhagam Bhage Haste Prasarita Tada Anguli Sandike Ch Angushta Mule Paripaschima Bhage Madhya Nadim Prabhata Samaye Praharam Pariksha. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are very well audible, sir.
Yeah, intermittently I had one call, that's why I am confirming it. Is it okay?
So it's going very good, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. So, empty stomach Nadi Parikshan is recommended. सेमिनार में हूँ मैं, बाद में करूँ आपको प्लीज. I'm confirming again. Am I? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible,
Yes.
sir.
So empty stomach nadi parikshan is recommended, but not as fasting. It should be early in the morning. Patient in supine position or sukhasana, that is comfort sitting. Supine condition, rogi's hand should be lateral in position, palm facing towards upwards, and slight bending in the wrist, little bit bending in the wrist, and radial artery palpation is recommended. Some extent mild curvature in the rogi's finger is allowed, but not tight fist. In sitting rogi, forearm should be supported by the physician with the protocol of touching the radial artery by placing the index finger just over the third line. You can see that purple color third line of the wrist inside bending, and it is the reference from Yog Ratnakar and Nadi Pariksha. I am escaping it because it's have a lengthy. You can see the types of pulse mentioned in Ayurveda literatures are huge, but some of which are we are formal, that is Ati Sukshma, Anuruju, that is crooked or oblique, Balavati, that is strong, forceful, Chanchala, that is fickle, agile, Chapala, that is tremulous, Dirga, Druta, Durbala, Shita, Smita. Smita means slow or water filling. Gariyasi, that is extremely heavy. Gurvi, Gambira, that is heavy. Shina, that is feeble. Katina, that is hard. And this Katina is nowadays is a part of stiffness index for several Nadi examination tools which are developed today. Karkasha, that is hard, which is having somewhat roughness when you rub the nadi. Khara, that is hardened. Utila, that is irregular. Shigraga, that is speedy. Snigdha, unconscious. Koshna, little bit hot, slightly hot. Lagvi, mrudu, manda, madhya, gati. Manojagamana, that is steady, just like hums. Manthara, that is infrequent. Mandatara, slow. Stira, that is fixed, steady. Sukshma, fine and thin. Nischila, very slow. Pischila, sticky. Plava, that is jumping over the surface, that is jumping, just like as a dolphin, that is a plavana, jumping. Pusti hina, that is very low tension. Pravata, that is forceful. Riju, that is straight. Samaya, that is regular impulse. Soshana, that is somewhat hot. So Ushna, that is hot. Sthila, that is weak, feeble. Tantula, that is thread. Prakampa, that is vibrating or spandana. Stula, stick. All these words will come across regarding how to diagnose the nadi. That is Surata, straight, Tantu Sannibha, Vihemanta Vyakula, that is fast speedy. Utpaluta, Vikala, Vakra, Vegavati, and Tivrardita Trutiya, that is irregular pulse with pauses. So it is also given. Earlier Subhash Wageji explained it very well, bigeminous and trigeminous nadi. So it is the beautiful slide I am going to share. That is protocol for nadi holding. How to hold the nadi in Rugna. It is given very clearly that you should hold the nadi just like as a sitar player or sitar expert holding the wires of sitar. Sorry. So probably in literature given the reference for examine the left hand pulse in female and right hand pulse in male. Why it is so? Because female right hand is significant in pani grahana at marriage for kanyadan, so that cannot be touched as per the Hinduism culture and rituals. And in nadi jnana reference swara. So what is a nadi jnan? It is a swara. A swara having two types: surya swara, which is right nostril dominant in male, and chandra swara happens in left nostril dominant in female. But Nadi Jnana Tarangini clearly mentioned, apart from this swara, they explained Kurma Nadi. A reference from Nadi Jnana Tarangini have the Kurma location. They believe that there is a Kurma, that is tortoise, Kurma, Kachua, a location in the umbilical region, whereas Urdhomukh Kurma in female and Adhomukh Kurma in male. And Nadi should be examined to the right side of that tortoise, that is Kurma, and should be done in both hands. Actually, Nadi Pariksha should be done in both hands, in both genders, because conductive obstruction, connective tissue and collagen rigidity and may differ in both hands pulse. It should be complete for 1 minute. It should not be for 15 seconds and then multiplied by 4. It will having a huge difference. So irregular nadi will definitely reflect in huge difference. Now protocol, you see each time index finger is at first level, middle finger is at third level, and here you can see the fourth one is also, because some acharya explained it as the Prakoshta Dhamani is having 4 finger palpable, some explain it as 3 finger palpable. That's why intensively I keep this picture to show you. Nadi should be count complete for 1 minute. It's 2 times revision carefully, never count in second, and multiplication. To check the volume and gati stroke, finger should be placed and pressed in typical cyclic manner. उपाध्याय सर ने जो बहुत अच्छे से बताया था मर्दन क्या होता है, रेगुलर, सर्कुलर, not have a typical manner, but it should be massaged there to judge the nadi. With full pressing or close it, fill the stroke, where applying the pressure it resists or not. You can close the nadi fully or not. That will definitely give some clues regarding the nadi. Fill the stroke, raise the pressure, watch fillings time, and after completely making it a flat, you can observe how much time it needed to fill. That is also give you regarding volume and bala of that nadi. And resistance powers to nadi vimardana, that is vimardana, mardana, can be done by irrelevant, no cyclic manner is there, irrelevant lifting, pressing, again lifting, then massaging in a circular manner. That should be followed by protocol. So at some extent, by irrelevant pressing and releasing, pressure will definitely give an idea about nadi dosh as vata sarpagati to index finger, pitta mandukgati to middle finger, and kapha, that is who is going to anoint. Annotation is not recommended. Why they are going to make annotation? Please erase it. Please don't be disrespectful. And hansa kapotagati to ring finger. Now nadi sparsha, it is a reference that sparshanat pidnat jnatadve mardanat tadapi tasu pranasya sanchar prayatnena vishodayet. Whatever explained by Yog Ratnakar by the means of var trayam parikshet, 3 times you should have to be examined with 3 fingers. They explained it as from the all 3 fingers of nadi chikitsa should be rotatory uplifting and again raise the pressure. These shlokas are there, you can read it. Each finger individually operated to confirm the nadi dosha to concern finger. It should be repeated at least 3 times for each one of without any chronological manner. As well do perform soft touch, complete press, complete dilatation, rotatory manner, squeezing to justify the nadi features and its age, how much it's spreaded. Then stula nadi, weak nadi, thready nadi, it will be judged with these ages. Then statement over it, all intellectual as well effortful understanding. Where to examine the nadi perfectly regarding the disease. You will be amazed that just a radial artery is not the part. It is अंगुष्ठमूलम संस्था तु विशेष परीक्षित सा ही सर्वांगा नाड़ी पूर्वाचय सुभाषिता. Pulsation all over the body is due to conducting the blood through the knee, evam sira with systolic and diastolic pulsation. But dhamni are deeply associated except some location, that is they are superficial. Hence pulsation of artery are palpable with astasthana. It is explained astasthana in Ayurveda, like both hands radials, both legs ankle post-tibial artery, both legs at ankles gulfasandhi posture, both outer canthus of the eyes, and that is superficial temporal artery, behind both ears post auricular branch external carotid artery, under tongue bilateral, that is lingual branch of carotid artery, anesthetic who is near to the face and giving air ventilation with intubation, is always palpating this lingual nadi. For the deep fourth stage of anesthesia, bilateral to the vocal box, that is common carotid artery, and base of the penis bilaterally is the guhya nadi, which is superficial external pudendal artery in male, while in female direction for lateral part of vulva, that is external iliac artery. So location of this nadi, you can see Angushtamulam, it is 3 finger in size. Ankle region, it is 2 finger in size. It is strongly palpable. Some acharya explain it as 2 finger, while some 3 fingers. Behind earlobe, it is 1 finger in size. External carotid artery. Kantha nadi, it is 2 finger in size. Here are some reference. Where should we have to examine this nadi? वाम दक्षिणतो लक्षा षोडशो प्राण बोधका, it is वसवराज्यम. आगंतुक ज्वरम तृष्णाम आयासम मैथुनम क्लमम भयम शोकम च कोपम च कंठ नाड़ी विनिर्दिशेत, it is वसवराज्यम reference. पादयोर नाडिका स्थाने गुल्फयो स्यादे अंगुलम द्वयम, it is from वैद्यभूषण. Again मरणम जीवनम कामम कंठ रोग शिरोरुजम श्रवणा अनिल जान रोगान नासा नाड़ी परीक्षे. So nasa mulam, that is it is 2 finger palpability. It is a branch. You can see this picture, this green one, nadi is there. Here is also, it is a facial part, facial artery. So a branch of external carotid artery from facial. It is most used in life-threatening condition, especially to decide brain death. It can be tackled to know for Urdhva Jatrugat Vikar, Kantha Vyadhi, Shirogat Vikar, and hence Shirogat Vikar, Karna Vyadhi Vikar, and even Vata Roga. So you can get an idea about the Pakshaghati Rugna, which is a pure Vata Rugna, and it should be examined with Nasa Mulam Nadi. That should be innovative part. Here I am going to explain. When should and where should examine the Netra Nadi? It should be outer canthus of eyes, just above the Kapola, means gaal wala jo hota hai. Kapola asti, that is Uttana Shankhika Dhamani, superficial temporal artery. It is palpable with 1 finger in size, ek angula in a parameter. It is used to diagnose insanity जो पगलापन होता है उसको डायग्नोस करने के लिए हमें ये नेत्र नाड़ी ही जांचनी चाहिए. इट इज ऑल्सो अ जीव साक्षिणी. A vital parameters is also there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Or I am?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Now regarding Jivha Nadi, it can be easily seen at the base of tongue. Sorry. Its name is lingual branch of carotid artery. It is palpable, 1 anguli in size, assessed in Nasa, Kantha, Mukha, Udara Vyadhi. While it is a dead desirable, life threatening. Now I am going to share the last one part, that is location of nadi, which is a medramulam nadi. It is palpable, that is 2 angul or 2 finger. Some of the experts consider it as 3 angul. You can't have an idea that some expert in old era, they judge this nadi in male and even in female. So regarding infertility, in male it can be assessed at the pubic region, in the base of penis bilateral, as uparistha bahya guhya dhamani, that is superficial external pudendal artery, and in female can be judged by collateral to the mons of pubis, mostly bahira shroniga dhamani, that is external iliac artery. Medramulam nadi will assess for reproductory disorders, bladder and rectal control in hemiplegia or paraplegia, adharangavad, adharanga, that is paraplegia, and inguinal lymphadenopathy in filariasis, that is Usheria bronchopte pathogenic creating sleep other. Now I am going to elaborate more. Kanadakruta Nadi reference, that is Purana reference. These are some reference from Nadi Vigyana. Vate adhika bhaven nadi pravyakta tarjanittale pitte vyakta madhyayam angulikam kafe. Adocha bhavate. Why it is so? Because adocha bhavate vato. He is a lighter in molecular structure. Madhyecha pittam. It is in between. It is heavier than vat but lighter than कफ. So वातो मध्ये पित्तम तथैवच अन्ते च भवते श्लेष्मा नाडिका त्रय लक्षणम. Hence it is a wonderful reference from Nadi Vigyana. Why should vat from the distal part of the organ should be first in place, pitta in second in place, and why kaf in third in place? So it gives an idea about regarding this. While vatadika vanne madhye tvagre vahati pittala, it is Kanadakruta reference which is not acceptable, but I make a collage of all the reference. That's why I'm sharing with all whatever I got from the Ayurveda literature, that vatadika vanne madhye tvagre vahati pittala. What Kanadakruta explained that vat is in the middle finger, pitta in index finger, but he is correct in श्लेष्मा अंत्यश्च भवति मिश्र लक्षण. आदौ च भवते पित्तम मध्ये श्लेष्मा तथैव च अन्ते प्रभंजनो नेया सर्वशास्त्र विशारदे. This reference, though it is not acceptable, but whenever we are going to judge Dvandvaj or Sannipataj Nadi, this shuffling can be seen and may happen. So reference that index finger of the Nadi Chikitsa should be placed first angula manibandha to the wrist, second index finger to vat, middle finger to pitta, ring finger to kaf, and aggregation in vata dosh may convection to middle part of the middle finger. It is now you can see I am going much more deeper. I am just not telling you the middle finger, I am telling you the tip of that finger. It's having 3 parts: center part, anterior part, and posterior part. That should be kept in mind. While aggravation in pitta First of all, I am going here. Aggravation in Vata dosh may convection to middle part of middle finger, while aggravation in Pitta dosh may express to anterior part of the index finger with some speedy beats. Aggravation in Kapha dosha will result to the last part of ring finger with some velocity, while Dvandvaja dosh express themselves with above said places in combinations. Several expertise recommended that divide in nadi rather than fingers. So anterior part of nadi resembles for pitta by kanad, middle to Kapha, and last part to vata dosh. Kanadakruta nadi is not acceptable regarding nadi doshadi gunakarma, as pulsation generated by contractile phase of heart due to vyana karma, and vyana propagates vatadi dosha first with the through viscous blood in the nadi. Lagu lighter in weight, chara motile, vyavai vikasi, easy percolating, spreading easily. Vata will be ahead due to amurtatva. It is not murta. Property in each nadi stroke. Comparatively, Pitta is having low weight than Kapha. Drava, Sara, spreading easily than Kapha. Drava, easily Drava than Kapha. Hence, propagated by Van just after Vat from Hridaya in the middle finger. Comparative to others, Kapha having more Guruta heaviness, Pischilita, that is viscosity, Abhisanditva, hence Kapha propagate lastly to each beats. Now Nadi Gati, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So Nadi Gati, that is Raso Swachhatam Yati, so whatever available in literature are explaining most to the pulse rate. Heart in contract and relax phase propagate spurana in nadi, that is prakampaman, spurana, spandana, pulsation. It is all. It is because of sanchara karma in nadi due to vyana karma. Expert can feel jiv sakshini nadi just below the one anguli to angusta mula with its pros and cons regarding healthiness and illness. Regarding the pulse rate, two components having significance, that is Sankhyatamaka and Guna Vishesh. I always ask my student to write the nadi in theory in 5 parameters. I am going to elaborate it as regarding quantity, beats per minute, nadi vega prati minute. Understand the quality of pulse, we must understand the word regarding the fast pulse like chapala, vegavati, druta, chanchala, tivra, ati chapala, vegavahini, shigraga, while other words for slow pulse is manda, mandagamana, mandagamini, ati manda, and shinagati, etc. We do prefer minutes for pulse rate, but in old era they use pul regarding kala mapan. 2.5 pul will become 1 minute, and sorry, I am going wrong here. 1 minute, 2.5 pul will become 1 minute, and it is so amazed that factors regarding the nadi spandana are similar in both parameters in both. So you can see Shashta Spandatu, this reference, that is in Shisho Satya Prasutas Pancha Tadanantaram Chatvarim Shakta Sampat Shat Trinshada Yovane Tata Prodasya Kona Trinshata Siu Vardakyesto Chavinshati. It is wonderfully explained by Subhash Wage sir in cardiology book that how that nadi reflect and how it is accurate. So if you see the pula, that is 2.5 pala. 1 pala is equal to 1 minute, and 2.5 pala is 1 minute. If you read 56 per pala, then you have to multiply 56 multiplied by 2.5, then it will turns to minutes. So 56 shastas pandatu. So shastas pandatu matra bhi is a 56 multiplied by 2.5 will become 140 beats per minute in newborn. Very clear. And you know it very well that a fetal heart sound which judges at the time of delivery, it should be more than 120, and we heard above 120 up to 140. It is very clearly given. While infant, it is given that a week old newborn is called infant, and it should be 15 minutes, that is 125. In child, it should be 40, that is 100. In juvenescent child for 1 to 5 years, it should be 90 per minutes, that is 36. Adult 29. Very accurately it is given that 72.5 pulse rate, that is 29 pulse. And old age, that is 28-70. Very old, that is pulse rate 31, that is 77.5. You can see the latest pulse rate in statistics, especially jwara, sannipatak jwara, hridaya, this is having typical pulse rate. You should keep in mind that the important formula, 1 degree raise in temperature in degree Fahrenheit will add 10 pulse rate in normal nadi, while cardiological diseases lower the pulse rate, exercise rise the pulse rate, while sleep and rest will lower down the pulse rate. It is mistakenly rise. Kindly consider it as lower the pulse rate, because without low down in pulse rate and without low down in blood pressure, you can't able to sleep. Hence, you can see here the prematures, then like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 1 to 3 years, all this para with the age, who is athlete, excellent, good, above average, average, below average, and poor in conditions. It is given wonderfully, these men regarding and female regarding nadi. So I am going to next one slide. So quality study in pulse, that वातोद्रेके गति कुर्या जलोका सर्पयोरिव पित्तोद्रेके तु सा नाड़ी काक मंडूक योर गति अंशस्यैव कफोद्रेके गति पारावतस्य वा. So it is wonderfully explained that to understand the quality of pulse and its synonymous regarding some animals, you should be imagine that animal and you kept that animal in your mind. You can wonderfully explain that nadi, and you can having a pro forma regarding that animal and regarding the diseases in typical phase. So now I am going to elaborate Vat, which is having Vakragati. He is moving wavy. I am elaborating how to see the waviness and when to say Sarpagati and when to say Mandukgati. So Vakragati, it is explained leech, that is Jalauka, snake as Sarpa, Pitta, it is Chapalagati, crow, Kulinga, and Manduk. Kulinga means sparrow like, crow means cock, and frog like, that is Manduk. Kafa, that is Mandagamana, it is partridge like Kapotagati and swan like Hamsagati. When it is Sannipataj, it is a pale bird who is intermittently running fast and again stop. So pale bird, that is Titar or lava bird. In Ajirna, it is Paritojada, that is Ajirna, Paritojada, Gandupadakrumi, Visuchika, and Upapluta you can see Upapluta and Manduk like frog like Nadi. The person who is incurable, Daurbal and Manda, and especially we discuss in our group, that is who is having a dead snake like Nadi, Mruta Sarpavat Nadi. It is the reference here given that Mruta Sarpavat Nadi especially seen only and only in a Durbal, incurable, and especially Grahani Nadi. That should be kept in mind. So you can see index finger regarding with Vat, that is snake, middle finger, the picture is showing frog, and last one ring finger which is showing Hams. So according to the literature, Sarpagati will be curved resembling movement, that is Sarpa, and Jaloka is a up and down movement. It is, though it is curved, but it is to and fro, and the curved and zigzag nature movement is significant of Vata pulse. In Basavarajiam, the Vata pulse has been explained to Vakra and Kutila in nature, that is Gati, which signified the curve movement. Bhava Prakash has not compared the Gati with movements of animal or birds, but similar to Vasavarajiam explained it as Vakra in nature. The movement of Pitta pulse, well known as Manduka Gati, was compared with movement of frog, which will be hopping and jumping in nature, was explained with words kapal, and utplutya, which significant in jumping nature. Chapala and utplutya, sorry, I read it kapal. It is Chapala and utplutya. The slow movement, that is Mandagati, is significant in Kapha pulse, well known as Hamsagati, which has been compared with movement of swan. So you can see Jalauka, Sarpa, Kapot and frog. The Ayurveda text explain this Gati pulse when more than one dosha is presented. According to the text, Gati will be Sarpa and Manduk in nature if Vat and Pitta doshas are aggravating. Similarly, it will be Sarpa and Hamsa in nature if Vat and Kaf doshas are in aggravating. It will be Manduk and Hamsa if Pitta and Kapha doshas are in aggravation. It is quite evidence from the text that Gati plays a significant role in assessing the dosha. Predominance and traditional Ayurvedic doctors were adopt in assessing the Gati from Nadi. Now, Spurana and Spandana, Rudirata Plava Vegena Dhamnim Spandatimu Upplava Prakurter Vedat Veda Spandanasya Hi. So, what it reflects that Hruday, from Hruday, Vyana Vayu, due to combined action of Vyana Vayu contracting from heart and Dhamani to propagate the blood in wave of Spandana. Many may call it as Spurana. So the Spandana differentiate may represented by dosha and Vyadhi too. Normal pulse rate and Spandana of the Nadi are not the same thing. Pulse rate is just a propagation from heartbeats per minute, and hence it is reflected in ECG also. And latest instrument regarding Nadi, they are based on that ECG pulsatileness, beats in some limits to diagnose the cardiac condition, and for vital parameter assessment, straight line will declare the heart death but not brain death. So it will be confirmed by Netra Nadi. While Spandana are qualifying Doshata, Sthanata, Gati, volume of the Nadi, Nadi Bal, power of the ball, power of the Nadi, rhythm, that is regular, irregular, and specific condition in Nadi regards to specific disease. I used to ask these questions in Maharashtra, especially 5 marks in theory questionnaires. So nadi quality in many aspect under skin should be under skin. You should not judge. It is the most important part, which is the secret of nadi. You should not judge or feel the skin temperature. You always palpate deeply and feel under the skin what is nadi having the temperature, because I'm going to elaborate it that skin should be examined first and then time bound expert net and patients deeply palpation. Here I am going to coin some terms regarding latestly PhD work, how they think about the aging factor, why cardiac disorders happens. It is all because of this conducting and connective tissue regarding problems. The blood flow faster in aorta compared to peripheral network, and the speed varies from meter per second, that is ms, m/s in aorta, and it is millimeter per second, that is m/s in peripheral network. The velocity of pulse wave, kindly read it as pulse wave velocity, that is pwv, and its normal ranges from 5 to 15 meter per second. So consider as the indicator of cardiovascular risk, that is pulse wave velocity, and has gained the significant research interest. The longitudinal studies have shown that aortic pulse wave velocity is a strong predictor of future cardiovascular event and all causes mortality, death rate. The longitudinal studies on aortic and carotid stiffness is pre-directing the cardiovascular diseases. The European Society of Hypertension and Cardiology has suggested threshold exceeding 12 meter per second. A conservative estimate of significant alternation in aortic function and hypertensive patient. The latest threshold has been adjusted to 10 meter per second, aortic to carotid, how it feel this pressure. It is actually 5 to 15. It is actually 15 in aorta. Now, when it turns to carotid, it up to 10 meter per second, having its propagation. Am I audible? Hello, madam.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Should I continue or stop here?
Continue, sir. Continue it, sir, please.
Okay. So hypertension study shows end stage renal disease and geriatrics have confirmed the predictive value of aortic, that is pulse wave velocity, to predict the cardiovascular events. And one can judge why aging factor is so fast regarding his diet, his aging factor, and one can study this pulse wave velocity very well with arterial stiffness index, that is SI stiffness index. So coming back, the gati guna, it is regarding ahari vihariya manas. I'm going to next one. Shita ushna snigdha ruksha. So we should start how the nadi guna is shit. The base of the knowledge, deeply palpating of nadi under the skin, feel cold in touch,